Hi everyone, here's an update on the S-Class. I was hoping to start the SLK today, but I'd left the keys with a colleague and I've come in and can't find the keys. So I've just done a few bits on the S-Class. I just gave it a quick wash and put it inside, as they are coming tomorrow to replace the rear window, hopefully with no problems. So that's being done tomorrow. I also replaced the stereo, because the stereo was just switching on and then switching straight back off. So I got a Mercedes period stereo off of eBay for £50. Had to get the radio code separately, which cost another £7, but that's plugged straight in, all working, so that's done. I also did something which I do on pretty much every car I do. The pedal rubbers get a bit worn out, and they're only cheap on eBay. So and they pull on and off. So I've replaced the pedal rubber with a new one. And then something else that was aggravating me was the driver's Sun-visor was broken. So again, I managed to get one. I think it was, how much was it? £25 plus the postage. So now I've got that. So that's all perfect and working. So yeah, so there's that. As you can see, the seats are gone. They got taken away on Thursday. So they've gone away to be reupholstered. They're not going to be back till the end of the month now, because they had to order the leather from Germany to replace a couple of panels that were quite badly worn. So they'll be done. I've just got some dye as well, just to do this little bit on the armrest there. And then the inside's pretty much there. Then Wednesday, it should be going off to the body shop to have this arch done. So there's that. Window, yeah, as I said, on Monday. Yeah, so towards the end of the month, early next month, pretty much everything should be done. So yeah, quick update today, as it's not gone to plan exactly. I'll probably just give it another quick coat of wax now, and then go. Thanks very much, bye.